Hello, folks. Welcome to Sailing SV Ruby with Captain Bill.
Hello again.
All right. Thanks for being here. In today's episode, you're going to watch our activities and ventures of Labor Day weekend 2025.
We had a lot of fun
Yes,
in the
we did.
Tikapalooza's party.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a relaxing weekend. It was at the tail end.
Relax? Oh, we all dancing party.
Yeah, we had fun. What I mean by relaxing is we didn't sail. We didn't sail this weekend. We just kind of chilled, got the boat back to its normal self again, enjoyed the weekend. So you'll see snippets of the party, the Tiki Palooza party, and just our plane having fun over this weekend. We probably will sail again before the summer's over. I mean, it's just September 1st.
We still had this night.
Yeah, just September 1st. We got 3 weeks of potential sailing before it really starts getting cold. But anyways, watch this video, enjoy it.
Please watch this video until the end and look at all pictures at the end.
Yeah, not everybody puts still photos in their videos, but we like to include our photos at the end. Here comes the plane, folks. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Folks, so this is pretty exciting. It's Friday, September 25th. And we're outdoors with shorts, t-shirts. It was 80 degrees today, which is very unusually warm.
September's not freezing, of course, in Boston, but it's not usually not 80 degrees. So it was today. It was 80. And oftentimes you'll hear me say that, yeah, it's 80 at home, but it's 70 at the boat. But today it was 80 at home and 80 at the boat. So on the water in New England, in Boston, late September. It's quite a treat. Tiki bar, nice and wide open. Nobody's here, no lights obviously, but a little bit of, even with a breeze, it's comfortable. It's going to be like this all weekend. I'm sure you'll be seeing videos from us throughout the weekend. Just soaking in this. Hopefully not the last summer weekend of 2025, but probability says it will be. You know, we'll get a day here and there between now and October, end of October, where it might be into 70, 75, but 80 degree days are numbered. We might be seeing the last of it this weekend. Angelica! She says she's cold. Careful. Yep. Who's doing the bed this time? Me or you?
You?
Oh, okay. When's the last time you did the bed?
Home.
Spectacular September weekend. Sunday, September 28th. And Friday it was in 80s. It was in the mid 80s. Saturday 73 to 75. It's supposed to get to 80 today, and it's quickly later in the day, but regardless, 80 degrees in September is a big win in New England. Feels like summer, looks like summer. Sorry, but we know better. Us New Englanders know better. Don't get fooled by the weather. Here he comes. Ask Commodore Craig. How are ya? Yeah, that's what I'm just filming, this whole beautiful weather and commenting how beautiful it is. And you're going out, I'm sure, right? Oh, good. No, I'm going to start the process today.
All right, folks. Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed today's video.
Thanks for watching today's video. Please watch all our videos on our channel. Please like and subscribe.
All right, folks. Again,
Obrigado de nada.
our photos are following this. Please watch our photos, and we would love for you to subscribe. Subscribing is what we need on our channel to help make us successful.
Bikini on, feeling the heat, capybara vibes, riding down the street, basaka in my hand, a tropical treat, bossa nova rhythm making us complete. Coated face of the jungle, taking it slow. The breeze in the air, the sun's golden glow. Petals turning, moving with grace. Bikini clad capybara set in the pace. Bikini capybara riding so fine, eating pasoka, feeling divine. Bossa nova